Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get SiaCoin using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. Go to your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you see the receive and buy icon. Now you can either buy or receive SiaCoin using the Trust Wallet, then tap on the one that you're interested in. In the search bar, just type in SiaCoin, and when you find it, just tap on it, and it's going to open up the QR code. And with this QR code, you see you can receive Sia Cash Coin, and you can even tap on copy, and it's going to copy your Sia Cash Coin address, and you can receive it that way. Or you can go to set amount, and here you can type in a set amount of coins, let's say 35, and it's going to generate a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you can receive just this set amount of coins, which is a very nice way for transactions or payments. And obviously with the share icon, you can share your QR code on social media or any other different platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.